Right here. Okay, where my camera's at. It's pretty big and obvious. Big mound. Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of episode 6, foraging with my subscriber. Right. This is Don. Yeah. So let's get on with the video. That's a nice one. Oh, 3 button. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. I don't see any more mound though. Yeah. Well, Don's okay with not picking a lot, enough to eat.
That's a lot.
That's a lot already.
That's a lot.
Well, we're gonna get more. Okay, we'll keep going. Come on, Don. It's a line. Get down and look for mounds. Higher. No, this way.
Oh, okay.
See, I didn't think it was a mushroom because of this, but it is pine. See the whole line?
Yep. Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Broke one.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. That's a nice one. Well, at least we know there's quite a bit here now.
Yeah.
So we just have to look at it carefully. We might have come far enough from everybody. Yeah. Okay, let me help you. Okay. So we know that's a pine.
Yep.
That's a pine. This might be a pine. This little subtle mound here.
Yep.
Might be a pine. That's a big mound right there. So let's take a look at the little one, see if I'm right. Oh, nope, it's a chipmunk hole. But this is a pine for sure. See?
So easy to miss.
Oh yeah. No, when you know what to look for, you're not gonna miss this as much. It's you know how, remember when Bao?
Yeah.
Yeah, even though she picked before, she if she doesn't know what to look for, if she's going too fast, she can miss all this easily. Like I said, I can take a look at somebody's bucket. If I see more big ones than there is button, I know they're gonna miss a lot.
Right.
Okay. Don's gonna clean that. He's gonna put it in his bucket. We'll continue looking. Okay, we've done a little bit of training. Now we're at that part where I found it already, so we're gonna see if he can spot it. Give you a hint, right here, like this. I'm gonna just stand right here. It's within that area. You walk right past one already. Yeah, that's a button. That's the one I initially saw.
Okay. I wasn't sure if it's over there. Okay. Okay, I see this second.
Okay. Now look behind you before you even dig that. Look behind you, see if you can see another one. Okay, now another one.
Another one behind?
Look to the mound over there. Yeah, so I'm just getting used to, I'm getting you used to, looking where.
Yeah.
After you find them.
Right.
Yeah. Good job. Cover that up. Look, he's almost half a bucket already. Yeah. Okay, he's gonna go pick up the other ones. Sit over there. Yeah, that one, you saw that one already. We are further than I've taken any subscriber. So we're gonna title this Deep into the Woods with the Forager subscriber series. I think you're number 6. You are subscriber series number 6. That's a nice button there. You can tell by the round top, really round top, it's a button. Yeah, see? That's a true button here. No veil broken. That's a true button. Good job. Let's see if it is. It is. See
Nice.
that?
Yeah.
And not just that. That might be one too. No, that's cool for me. Chipmunk mound. Then you're digging that, you're scanning. Can you see that one over there? Right there. A little bit of white popping up mound under that slough.
Okay.
A few of them. Not just
Oh,
that
okay.
one. Lift the whole thing up.
Gotcha.
And lift that big branch up. Yeah. I'm on my knees videotaping.
We got more than one.
Yeah.
Oh, we got.
And here too. There's a couple more right there. There we go. First decent amount.
Nice.
Yeah.
And a little guy.
Yeah. Let's pluck it all out first. You can clean it. Yeah, there you go. Now you can clean it. Okay. Yeah, me and Don, we had to walk all the way here just to find mushroom to videotape and teach, for me to teach him. Okay, while he's cleaning that, we'll continue on after he finishes. Saw that one. Okay, before you pull it out, let's see if you can find the other ones. Where you're standing, look left to where you're standing, right by your shoe. Yep, it's a couple right there. Yeah. I gotta be careful not to step on any either.
Yeah.
But as you're down, scraping that, you're looking too. Go ahead and pluck it. I don't think this is one, nope. Ah, nice button still. All right. Just covering it up. Good habit. Best habit is to cover it up. Okay. Spot that one over there. No.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
I'm just poking my finger down, see if I can feel the top.
Try not to rip the veil.
All right, getting there. Okay, we'll continue looking around here. Looks to be pretty good. I've set Don loose on his own. He's just up ahead of me. I'm doing a little picking myself, so spotted this. I gotta have fun too. Well, we'll see how the training pays off for Don. We'll meet up with him, see if he found a few more. There's another mound right here. Yeah, there's not a whole lot since we've already picked through this area many times already, but we haven't gone this far, but the spot nearby had been picked out pretty good by other people. So I'm having to come out pretty far with Don. But I am finding mushroom now. See that? Right there. A couple. There's another one right here. Nice one too. Nice button. Beautiful white mushroom. Yeah. If you want to come out with me, the forager, like Don did, and get a little bit of a tutorial, hit that subscribe button for me. I can use the support. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, I see something over here. See that one right there? This one looked like somebody stepped on it. Yeah, they stepped on this one. Another one over here. Right here. There might be a few. One there, one there, one there. For now. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, look at that stem. Love that long stem. Long and meaty stem. Another one right there. This amount here looks to be. Nope. Okay, I don't see any more. Okay, I did manage to find a little bit after they've dug here, and I looked over here, here, right there. See that? Yeah, they're all flower. Barely any button, but still mushroom, right? Here's one right there. Okay. He was stepped on a little bit, but he's still good. Quite a bit of dig marks over here. Oh, here's one. You can see him, right? Right there. Under that branch. As I'm down here, I'm scanning as I'm picking, and I can spot to my right. Right there. Under here. There's a couple. Okay, after this, we'll go see how Donnie's doing over there. He's finding some over there. Nice. I think there's another one right here. Right here. There's a mound right here. Yeah. And then we'll go see how Don is progressing along over there. Okay, looks to be it. Spotted this guy right here. But as I look over there, you can see a mound over there. See any more mounds. Let's go peep that one up. Let's go check him, I mean. Oh, here we go. I see a line of them. Okay. Beautiful. And if you look closely, there's another one under there. That log over there. See? Okay. Look at that. But look. Right there. Okay. Right here. There. There's a few more around over there. We'll close everything back up. This one here. There. Just in this little bit of area. See that we got that much so far. I'm gonna close these up and see if there's any more before I pick those up. Can you spot that? Right there, under that leaf. Right here. See a big old white one sticking out?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I know it's second nature to just go find the one you know saw already.
Sure.
There's a couple of them. A couple. Yeah, it's okay to go you can go like this to get oh. You didn't know that was one?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, I
Oh,
thought you
okay.
knew. That's why I was
Oh,
uncut. No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Keep breaking caps.
Well, good thing you're eating.
I'm not selling.
Yeah, if you're a commercial picker, we need to work on that.
Yeah, yeah. That's a Dr. Pay. Wow.
Yeah, nice button too.
Jeez.
Okay, let's head over there.
Okay.
Probably one big one. Yeah. Oh, two. There's two.
Yeah.
Right below that.
Oh,
Yeah,
That
right
is going to
there.
do it for our video, episode 6, part 2 of Foraging with My Subscribers series. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see everybody in the next video.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah, this is a good area.
Yeah. Well, like I said, you know, I can see a lot of scratch marks over there.
Yeah.
So if we're able to get out from the line where they picked, we
Yeah.
might be able to do a little bit better. So that's
Yeah.
a tip for everybody if you're paying attention.
Wow. Perfect.
Okay, let's go.